Hello everyone. Wait a second. Yeah, this is make better. Okay. This time I will make a chocolate milk cake with pleasure. Hey, wait a second. Okay. This time I will make a chocolate milk cake with pleasure. Yes, it might be delicious.
Maybe delicious.
Okay,
Nope.
here there are ingredients. The first one is biscuits. For the ingredients, I have a biscuit marks is Roma Malkis. Yeah. The second ingredient is this one, milk chocolate. Yeah, milk chocolate. Let's go to how to make it. This method is easy and simple. Does not need such a grill or the like. Here we only need a small bowl or basin. Wait, it's this one. Oh, let's make this one. Okay, just right, and let's go make it. Yeah. First method. Pour the biscuit into small bowl or basin. Now it's my basin. For attention, if you have plastic gloves, just use it. Don't use your hands. Hand bed is fully virus or yeah, first method, pour biscuit into small bowl or basin. This one is biscuit. Two biscuits. Pour the biscuit. Then crush the biscuit to become small, like sand grains. You know, this one. Crush. Then after finishing crush biscuit, put the chocolate milk into the bowl. Chocolate milk. Canal until fused. Net is diffusion. This one. Like then from the bowl do or what you want. I will make a ball. Yeah, this one ball. This is ball. Yeah, like okay. What? One ball. Apa?
Semut kayak
Nanti gampang persiapan kita. Yeah, this is two ball. Okay, two ball. Arrange the finished ones on a plate and you give the greens make better. What do you want? Yeah, what do you want? Okay, finish it. Be less delicious chocolate, chocolate biscuit, chocolate big cake. Yeah. Wait, I will test it. I will test it. I will test it like this. Now, try this. Yeah. You can try it at home or anywhere except on the toilet. Yes, that's all this video, and cheerio.